This right here is a beer brewing machine. Basically, it allows you to brew beer at home. Cheers, guys. It's good. This is the IGULU F1. It's an automated home brewing machine that makes it easy to brew beer at home, and it has different flavors. It costs $699. If you use my discount code VALORREVIEWS, you're going to get $200 off. But the real question is it worth buying? Well, let's find out. Starting with the unboxing experience, it comes with instruction manuals, a short power adapter. I wish it was longer. You can also connect this machine to a compatible 5-liter keg, and this is the brewer. When you open up the brewer, you're going to see this keg. It's a 1-gallon keg. Now, before you start brewing, you need to wash the keg. Fill it up with filtered water. I use distilled water and don't exceed this maximum level. I tried out the Pale Ale brewing kit. Open it up. Pour in the natural herbs bitter extract first, then the natural herbs aromatic extract, then the pale ale dry malt extract, and the dry brewing yeast. Also, make sure you use the rubber seal, close the keg, and lock it. There's no need to shake it. Put the keg in the machine, connect this to this, and that's it. Close it, turn on the machine, grab the IFRD, tap it here, and tap on next on the screen. Tap on brew, and now it's time to wait. Now for me, waiting is one of the disadvantages of using this home brewing kit. It took around 9 days for it to finish brewing. While brewing, the machine needs to be connected to power. If the power supply is interrupted for some reason, you can resume the brewing process. After waiting 9 days for the fermentation process to be complete, I tested it and I didn't like it. It was bitter, it wasn't that cold. Luckily, the brewing machine can cool drinks down. So I set the temperature to 2 degrees, I waited for it to cool down. I tested it again and it was much better. If I'm going to rate it, I'll rate it a solid 7/10. Now, one thing I noticed is when you serve the beer, it's foamy. And it's not really a bad thing because the foam actually tastes good. I love the aroma, I love the temperature the machine was able to cool down the beer. I got some of my friends to try it out and this is what they had to say.
Here goes nothing, guys. I've never tasted fresh brew before. Still tastes like fruit.
Fruits?
Like apple or something. What is the flavor?
I'm going to put it on the screen. I can't remember, but this is it on the screen.
But it tastes very fruity. It doesn't even taste like beer. It's a good experience. If you can brew this, you don't need to go out to buy alcohol because I think this is better than everything I've ever tasted in my life.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. Like it has this Budweiser. Can I say Budweiser?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it has this. It reminds me of Budweiser or this very Heineken too.
Heineken?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
so if you were to rate it, what would you score it? Over 10?
I'll give it like a 7/10.
Okay. Now this brewing machine comes with an app, but I must say it wasn't that useful. Now I've been using this home brewing machine for around 3 months now and I like what it brews, the taste, the aroma. What I don't like is the time it takes for the fermentation process to be complete. 9 days, that's a long time. Now one thing nobody is talking about is cleaning the keg inside this machine when it's time to try out a new flavor. I wish it came with a cleaning kit, that would have been useful. I mean, if you love drinking beer, you're going to love this machine, but for $699, I think it's not for everybody. If you can afford it, it's a good brewing kit to have. Waiting for the fermentation process is no fun, but after that, the flavor, the aroma is really, really nice. So yeah, that's my review of the IGULU F1 home brewing machine. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys very soon with more content. Valor Reviews, signing out. It's really nice.